Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss about one more coding question that is frequently asked in interviews. So the question is count all the character occurrences in a string. So let's say we have this string YouTube and we need to count each characters, how many times they are repeated. So our output should be its all character counts. So first I will discuss about my logic, how I will solve it. So suppose our input string is YouTube, and first I will check with first character and with remaining string how many times they are repeated in the remaining string. So y is repeated only once, and after that I will replace all the y's from string. Then remaining string will be look like this, and now I'll check O how many times that is repeated. O is repeated only once. Again I will replace all the O's and will check U. So U repeated 2 times. Now I'll replace all the U's and check for T, and now I'll check for B, and after that I'll check for E. So I'll write this logic in our Visual Studio. So let's see. So first I will create one generic method, public static void count characters, and I will take one input parameter here, string input, and we will start a while loop till input's length greater than 0, and in that one I will keep my first character in an variable where first char equal to input 0th position, and then I will start a loop int I equal to 0, I less than input dot length, because we need to iterate all the characters, I plus plus increment by 1, and in the loop I'll check our current character with my first character. So input I equal to first char. If this is matched, then we need to increment our variable that we need to take. So I'll take one more variable here, count. Initial value will be 0, and here we will increment it by 1 because it is matched in that string, and here we can print it because we found our occurrence count for that character. So I'll write like console dot write line in a specific format, means in 0 equal to 1. So in 0th position I'll pass first char, and in first one count. So it will print like y equal to 1, o equal to 2, just like that. And after that we need to replace the checked item with that string. So input equal to input dot replace first char dot to string, because that is character, so replace by blank string. And in starting of the method we can print our input to better view in the console. Now we'll check how it is working with an example. Like suppose we will keep that our existing example YouTube, and we will take one more hello. So let's see by run it. Yeah, got it. Our output is correct. In YouTube and hello both, it is correct. Let's take one more test case. Suppose we have a string that has space in between. So let's see how it is working for that one. YouTube video, and I'll comment out these. Let's see. So in that one you can see it in this position. It is counting space as well. How many times space is available. So in some interviews they are saying us to ignore spaces. So for that we can just replace our spaces in start of the input, just like this. Input dot replace space with blank string. So now we will check it again. Yeah, this time space is not coming in the output. So yeah, this is fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.